When you've gardened long enough, you start to realize that not all dead soil can be rescued by compost alone. You add organic matter, turn the pile, wait months, and still, your soil stays lifeless, dry, compacted, and stubbornly unresponsive. But there's an old trick, an ancient liquid formula that revives even the most depleted soil. No turning, no waiting, and no compost piles needed. It's not magic, it's microbiology rooted in traditional agricultural wisdom. Let's get into the science and the exact steps to bring your soil back to life using this time-tested method. The real reason your soil is dying has nothing to do with nutrients. Most gardeners think poor soil is just missing nutrients like nitrogen or phosphorus. That's part of it. But the real issue is biological collapse. Dead soil lacks microbial activity. Without bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes cycling nutrients, your soil becomes a mineral desert. Plants can't access the nutrients even if you dump fertilizers on top. The secret then isn't adding more stuff. It's about reawakening the microbial life that makes soil function as a living system. This is where ancient farming practices come in. Long before chemical fertilizers or compost turners, early farmers used fermented plant and animal extracts to restore the spirit of their soil. Today, we'd call that spirit microbial balance. The ancient formula is simple fermentation with powerful biology. The backbone of this method is fermented plant juice, or FPJ, and lactic acid bacteria serum, also known as LAB. Both are part of the Korean natural farming system, a process that harnesses beneficial microbes through controlled fermentation. When applied to dead or compacted soil, these liquids repopulate the microscopic workforce that drives decomposition, nutrient cycling, and root health. So, to make fermented plant juice, you really only need fresh, green material and brown sugar. The sugar, you see, pulls out plant enzymes and beneficial microbes through osmotic pressure. Choose young, fast-growing plants like comfrey, alfalfa, or sweet potato tips. Basically, anything rich in chlorophyll and minerals works well. Mix at a 1-to-1 ratio by weight, for example. 1 kilogram of plant material with 1 kilogram of brown sugar. Then pack it into a non-metal container, cover it loosely, and let it ferment for about 5 to 7 days in a shaded, warm spot. You'll know it's ready when it smells sweet and just a bit alcoholic, not rotten. For lactic acid bacteria serum, you'll want to combine 1 part rice wash water with 10 parts milk. The rice wash water, in this case, captures wild lactobacillus from the air, while the milk provides food for it. Leave it loosely covered for 5 to 7 days. A yellowish liquid will form on top. That's your active lab. Just strain and store it in a sealed bottle. Once you have both FPJ and lab, you've got the core of the ancient soil revival system, really. Combine 1 tablespoon of FPJ and 1 tablespoon of LAB in 1 liter of non-chlorinated water. This becomes your liquid soil activator. The goal here isn't feeding the plants directly, but rather feeding the microbial community that, in turn, feeds the plants. For compacted or dead soil, apply this mix as a drench at a rate of about 5 liters per square meter once a week for a month. You'll notice the first signs of life returning fast. Moisture retention improves, earthworms start reappearing, and roots penetrate deeper. For sandy soils, you'll want to add an additional source of organic carbon, like molasses or even biochar, just to help retain those microbial colonies. For clay-heavy soils, this treatment actually loosens the structure by encouraging fungal growth and, microaggregate formation. If you're working with potted plants or raised beds, it's best to reduce the application rate by half so you avoid oversaturation. And you can also add this mix directly into hydroponic or aquaponic systems in small doses, about a 1 to 1,000 dilution, to strengthen the root zone microbiology. This process works because, it actually mimics natural soil recovery. In nature, dead soil doesn't fix itself through compost heaps. It revives through microbial colonization. When organic matter falls to the ground, bacteria and fungi start digesting it as long as there's moisture and minimal disturbance. The lactic acid bacteria in your liquid formula act as a primer. They outcompete pathogens, and they lower the pH just enough for beneficial decomposers to move in. Meanwhile, the enzymes and plant hormones from the fermented plant juice give microbes and roots the energy they need to multiply. What you're doing here is creating an instant microbial inoculant, something that's far more active and efficient than traditional compost tea. Instead of waiting months for organic matter to break down, you're actually delivering billions of live microbes that immediately start rebuilding your soil ecosystem. So, to make this system truly work, you'll want to keep your soil moist but not soggy after application. Microbes just can't thrive in dry or waterlogged conditions. Add a thin mulch layer, about 2 to 3 centimeters, of shredded leaves or grass clippings on top. This holds moisture and provides a steady carbon source for your growing microbial community. If your soil is extremely barren, go ahead and do a double activation during the first week. Apply the liquid formula twice, 3 days apart, and you can also strengthen it by adding a small amount of diluted seaweed extract, about 1 teaspoon per liter, to provide those trace minerals microbes absolutely love. Once your soil begins to darken and hold moisture more effectively, you can, reduce treatments to once every 2 or 3 weeks for maintenance. Within 10 to 14 days, you'll notice your soil texture changing, becoming crumbly, darker, and, just easier to work with. The smell shifts from neutral or musty to something earthy and sweet. Plants show more vibrant growth, and water no longer runs off, but instead soaks in deeply. That's the hallmark of living soil structure, smell, and microbial cooperation. The bottom line is that nature never needed compost bins. Traditional composting is useful, but it's slow and often incomplete because it isolates decomposition instead of allowing it to happen in place. Nature's method, fermentation and microbial succession, works faster, deeper, and honestly more efficiently. By using FPJ and LAB, you're applying that principle directly, giving your soil the microbial ignition it needs to wake up and stay alive. If you've been struggling with tired, unresponsive soil, skip the endless compost piles and start with this ancient liquid formula. It's cheaper, faster, and more biologically aligned with how nature builds fertility. For more regenerative soil techniques and microbial gardening methods like this, don't forget to subscribe to Hydro Haven, hit that like button, and share this guide with someone serious about soil health. Because when we bring life back to the soil, we bring life back to everything growing from it.